Hi Brian, it's Amy here. This is my video for the final project of Module 5 in the QR codes in the classroom. First I want to say it's been a really fun class. I enjoyed each module and actually got excited about making some of the assignments. I was feeling a little dorky. Anyway, for the last assignment that I did, I created a worksheet. I actually got the idea from you from the iPad class. The worksheet is on solving factor label problems. So the idea behind it is that the students would work through the problems following the process that I introduced to them, and they would have a QR code that they could scan after they solve the problem to see if their answer matches to what it should be. And then they simply check, yes, I got it correct, or no, I did not get it correct. And it's kind of a quick way to give me some feedback as I walk around the classroom. If I see a lot of students with check marks in um, the box that says I did not get it correct, that tells me that I need to address some items. In the QR codes that I made to check the answers with, I try to use a variety of QR codes. Some are voice activated, or some are voice. Some are just simply text. I wanted to take a photograph and color code the steps that I show during class, but I was having trouble doing that. So that's going to be something I need to look into in the future. The other thing that I did that I thought was kind of funny was I created a Chatterpix. So I took a picture of myself and put some goofy glasses on and gave the answer that way. I kind of find anything dorky that makes the kids think that I'm really weird seems to get their attention. So sometimes I need to play that up a little bit. But at any rate, that was kind of fun. I only have 7 problems on the worksheet. I was kind of thinking about what I'd want to do with this afterwards, and I was thinking about I saw an idea on Pinterest actually where somebody made a tic-tac-toe board and they put QR codes in each of the 9 spaces. So I'm thinking that maybe the students could develop some factor label or dimensional analysis problems and turn them into QR codes, and then they could situate these codes on the tic-tac-toe board and sort of play a little game. We could put the answers on another QR code on the back or something like that, but I like to kind of put the technology in the hands of the students and see what they could come up with. So the idea behind my worksheet was one to have a quicker way for me to check it as opposed to taking 24 papers home with 7 problems on and looking through each of those, because I simply don't have time for that. But also it gives them immediate feedback, and while I'm in class with them they can ask me questions or ask a neighbor questions. And then the other thought behind doing this was I wanted to introduce them to options that they might have, whether it's for a presentation or a project or something else that they might encounter in the future. So I want to give them experience not only using the technology but also creating it. So again, my activity that I developed was a worksheet on solving dimensional analysis. Fun, fun, fun. Thanks a lot.